What is a point of view? Yes, this is the second step of the cornerstone, which I discussed in the last video. Cornerstone is a very effective tool, to make your speech audience centered. So we'll talk about the point of view, which is one of the important step in that. So point of view is nothing but the central message of your whole story, of your speech, of your presentation, right? So basically it's the purpose of your story, it's a goal of your speech. It's something which you want the audience to walk away with. So the point of view, the central story of your speech should not be like about it's my company, my credential, my message. It's not about it's about the audience. You have to frame the point of view in a way so that the audience should think that tell me more, instead of saying that okay, are you done, should I leave? Right? So let's come back to point of view. So for example, suppose I am giving a speech on public speaking. Okay, now if I start the speech, asking the audience that, do you know how to start a speech? Now I give them 5 SHARP. Remember the sharp tool? Suppose if I give them the 5 tools, okay, SHARP. So how do you start a speech? If I ask them that which is your comfortable way of starting a speech, is it humor, is it story, is it analogy, is it reference, or is it a picture? Now the moment I'm asking them, right, which is your easiest way or which is your comfortable way, they feel comfortable, right? I'm making the audience more comfortable to choose their own style, their own way. Okay, so that is audience centric. Now you might have observed the ads of many big brands, okay, like LIC says Zindagi ke saath bhi, Zindagi ke baad bhi. Don't you feel so connected with the tagline, like Zindagi ke saath bhi, it's caring about your life, right? So anybody would like to know more about it, right? Like for example, Bajaj, okay, like Bajaj started from Bajaj scooter with a global motorcycle. Now they have launched Bajaj Auto. What is the tagline? Hamara Bajaj, right? So looking at the ad, that you have that emotional connect. You feel that it's Hamara. It's like for common people, right? Husband driving, wife sitting on the back, right? So it has that emotional connect. So that is the POV. That is the point of view of Bajaj. For example, Nike says just do it. So it's all about taking actions. It shows a cricketer or a athlete who is like doing a lot of workouts, right? So it's all about just do it, right? So that's so catchy. That's the POV of Nike. Okay, if you talk about Coca-Cola, it says think happiness. Okay, so this is the point of view which is audience centric. Now you have to make your speech. I already gave you a lot of examples. I gave my example as well. Now it's your turn to make your speech audience centric and change your point of view of the speech in such a way that you make it audience centric and the audience are intrigued to hear the first sentence itself, the purpose of your speech, so that they feel interested to watch your speech even more or listen to you even more. Now I give you a task here, so what you have to do is you have to remember the last 3 meetings you attended, okay, and then write down the point of views of each of the meeting or each of the speech, whatever this what the speaker was trying to say, what was the point of view. Now find out, is it audience centric or is it self-centric? Okay, so that is one thing. You can also pick up 3 commercials, any ads, and find out the point of view, write down the point of view of that, the central story of that ad. So hope it helps. Keep watching the next video.